This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if your Audi already has a hidden performance mode, but you've never activated it? What if inside your MMI system there are settings that can completely change how your car accelerates, responds, and feels on the road? Most drivers use MMI for navigation, music, or basic controls. But very few understand that this system is actually the control center of your car's performance. And that means one thing: if your settings are wrong, your Audi is slower than it should be. Now, let's start with the most important feature of all. This system is what Audi calls Drive Select. This is not just a driving mode, it's a performance control system. It changes how your engine, gearbox, steering, and throttle behave. But here's the problem with how most people drive. Most drivers leave it in auto. And auto mode constantly reduces performance to balance comfort and efficiency. It softens throttle response, lowers engine aggressiveness, and shifts earlier. So even if your engine is powerful and ready for action, the truth is you're simply not using it to its full potential. Now, let's take a look at the first change you should make. Simply switch the system over to dynamic mode. Immediately, your Audi becomes significantly more responsive. The throttle reacts faster, the gearbox holds gears longer, and acceleration feels stronger. But unfortunately, that's where most people stop, and that's a mistake. And unfortunately for most drivers, that is a major mistake. Because the real power is found inside the individual mode menu. Inside MMI, you can customize every element: engine, transmission, steering, sometimes even suspension. And here is the key setup you need to know. Set engine and transmission to dynamic. This setup keeps the car aggressive where it matters most to you. Then adjust the rest for comfort if you want. This creates a perfect balance between performance and daily usability. Now, let's go even deeper into your Audi's performance. We'll start by looking at throttle mapping. Your Audi doesn't respond directly to your foot. It interprets your input through software, and that software adapts over time. If you drive gently, the system becomes slower, less reactive, and more delayed. But when combined with dynamic mode and proper inputs, the throttle becomes sharper, more direct, and the difference is immediate. Now, I want you to think about this for a moment. The same car and the exact same engine. And this results in a completely different level of performance. If you want to unlock more hidden MMI features and discover how to get the most out of your Audi, consider subscribing. It's free for you, but it helps us bring more real content like this. Now, let's look at the real truth behind Audi's performance. Most Audi drivers never explore MMI beyond basic functions, which means they are driving with limited performance every single day. In the next part, we'll go deeper into advanced MMI settings and hidden adjustments that can unlock even more responsiveness and efficiency. Now that you've unlocked the basic performance settings inside MMI, it's time to go deeper. Because what most drivers don't realize is that Audi didn't just give you driving modes, it gave you control over how the car thinks. And understanding this simple fact changes everything. Let's start with a setting that almost nobody touches: transmission behavior inside individual mode. Most drivers switch to dynamic and stop there. But inside individual, you can control how aggressively the gearbox reacts. And this is one of the biggest performance differences you can create. When the transmission is set to comfort or auto, it shifts early to save fuel. This reduces engine load but also keeps the car in lower power ranges. Acceleration feels slower, delayed, less engaging. But when you set the transmission to dynamic, the car holds gears longer. It stays in the optimal RPM range where the engine produces more power. And the result? Faster acceleration, sharper response, a completely different driving feel. Now let's move to another hidden adjustment: engine response. Inside MMI, the engine setting controls how quickly the car reacts to your throttle input. In comfort, the response is softened. In dynamic, it becomes immediate. But here's the key. When both engine and transmission are set to dynamic together, the effect multiplies. The car doesn't just accelerate faster, it reacts instantly. Now here's something even more powerful: combining settings. Most drivers think modes are fixed, but individual mode allows you to combine them strategically. For example, engine dynamic, transmission dynamic, steering balanced. This gives you performance without making the car uncomfortable or too aggressive in daily driving. And this is where real control begins. Now let's go deeper into something almost invisible: MMI adaptation over time. Your Audi learns from how you drive. If you constantly use comfort or drive gently, the system adapts to reduce aggressiveness. Even if you switch to dynamic later, the car may still feel slightly delayed because it has learned your habits. But here's the key: you can retrain it. Using dynamic mode consistently, combined with intentional throttle input, forces the system to recalibrate. Over time, response improves. Gear shifts become sharper, acceleration becomes more direct, and the car starts behaving differently. Now here's the part most people miss. MMI is not just a menu, it's a control system. And if you don't use it correctly, your Audi is not performing at its full potential. If you want to unlock more hidden MMI features and get the maximum performance out of your Audi, consider subscribing. It's free for you, but it helps us bring more real content like this. Now think about this. Two identical Audi cars. Same engine, same model, but one feels slow and soft. The other feels fast and responsive. The difference? Settings. And in the next part, we'll take it even further and show how to combine everything to make your Audi feel like a completely different machine. Now that you've unlocked the key MMI settings and understood how to combine them, it's time to take everything to the final level. Because real performance is not just about activating dynamic mode. It's about controlling how your Audi behaves in every situation. And once you understand this, your car doesn't just feel faster, it feels completely different. Let's start with the most important concept: consistency of use. Most drivers switch modes randomly, such as using comfort while in heavy city traffic, or switching to auto mode when cruising on the open highways, and only using dynamic mode sometimes. This creates inconsistency in how the system adapts. Your Audi is constantly learning. If your inputs and settings change all the time, the system becomes conservative. It tries to balance everything, and in doing so, it reduces responsiveness. But when you use a consistent setup, especially individual mode with engine and transmission in dynamic, the system stabilizes. It adapts to performance. The car becomes sharper, more predictable, more responsive. Now let's go deeper. Driving input synchronization. MMI settings define how the car can behave, but your inputs define how it actually behaves. If your throttle is inconsistent, sudden, or passive, the system cannot optimize performance. But when your inputs are progressive, controlled, and intentional, the system works with you. Throttle becomes smoother and faster. Gear shifts become precise. Acceleration becomes fluid. And the car feels more powerful without changing anything mechanically. Now here's something most drivers never notice: performance memory. Your Audi is advanced enough to actually remember your specific driving patterns. If you consistently drive in a performance-oriented way using the right MMI setup, the system begins to favor responsiveness over comfort. This creates a long-term effect. The car doesn't just react faster, it stays faster. Now let's connect everything we have learned so far. Drive Select configuration, engine and transmission in dynamic, consistent driving style, controlled throttle input, reduced interruptions. All of these together unlock the real potential of your Audi. If you want to discover more hidden MMI settings and learn how to fully control your Audi performance, consider subscribing. It's free for you, but it helps us bring more real content like this. Now here's the final truth. Your Audi is already engineered for performance, but most drivers never access it, because most drivers never go beyond default settings. Now you do. And once you start using MMI the right way, your Audi won't just feel faster, it will feel like a completely new car. Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.